Hi guys, today I want to talk about my PS5. It's a Slim edition. I've had it for like 4 months approximately. I've used it, well, not as much as I would like, but I've used it plenty. I have some few nitpicks. Obviously, I like it. It's a great console. It has 1 TB of storage, which is really nice. The games don't take that much time to load, which is perfect. But I really do have some nitpicks. Like one of them is that, for example, you can see I've had it horizontally. It comes with these stands that, as you can see, they are very wobbly. I don't think it's most secure. I don't want to have it vertically, but I don't think that these stands that comes included with the PS5 are the best. I think that they could be a little more sturdy because, as you can see, which was just one figure, it really wobbles a lot. It bothers me because, you know, sometimes I want to connect my controller to the PS5, and when you're connecting, it obviously wobbles, and I don't think that's safest. I don't know if it's just me personally, but for example, maybe you can listen. When it's turning on, it starts to use the disc. I don't know, the disc reader. I don't know why, and it's quite loud. I mean, I don't know if it's the disc reader or the fan, but it's very loud. I mean, it could be louder, obviously. My PS4 was very loud, but it's, I mean, I don't know if I have to give it some maintenance. Maybe it's that. Yeah, in here, my stuff tend to get so dusty. I don't know if it's just that reason or if it's just something that comes with every PS5. Of how the PlayStation works, it's been really nice. As I said, it doesn't take a lot more for my games to start and to enter some loading screens. It's really fast. Graphically, it's look amazing, and I will recommend it. Just have in mind that little two things that I've said, that the horizontal supports are a little bit wobbly, and mind that it turns on the fan very loudly, or the disc reader. I'm not certain which one is, but yeah, it's all I've had to say. It speaks for itself. Okay, so it's a great console. I would really recommend it actually. See ya.